Hola, somos de México. My name is Ernesto and today we are making the full assemble of La Cabrita. Alright team, let's start with the climber. Here's everything we need. A 90-degree metal racket, a inside corner racket, 8 screws and 8 nuts. For the next step, we have to remove both of these rackets and we slide these ones into the extrusion. Now we have to remove this wall of the box and this racket to slide these screws. And now remount the climber. This is how the mounted climber must look like. For mounting the intake, we need 2 lap corner brackets and 2 corner brackets. Remember to only assemble one side of the inside corner bracket, and then you must slide two screws through the extrusion for each side of the intake. Then we remove this bracket to slide this one. Now you repeat the steps in the other side. Now we have to slide the intake through the brackets. Now to finish the box, we have to fold a corrugated plastic sheet. First you have to make a cut of 8 by 5. Now you have to cut this shape. Then, using a hard object, firmly score along the lines to make the fold easier. And finally, make holes in the corrugated plastic sheet. And now you have to assemble 2 90-degree plastic brackets and slide them into a 225mm extrusion. And now you slide them into this extrusion. Now we have to perforate the corrugated plastic sheet to insert the zip ties. And we do the same for the other side. Remember that you have to put the side that you cut into the side of the motor. And with that, the box must look like this. Now we put the control hook with the screws that you slide when you assemble the drivetrain. Now we have to place the battery holder plate. And now we start plugging the cables in the control hook. And you connect all the motors. And for extra security, you can use zip ties to tighten the cables. And with that, La Cabrita está lista para ganar. Got questions? Send us a message in our Instagram account. And check the link in the description to see the complete mechanics documentation and the part list. Goodbye, see you in Korea.